Come with me as I clean my station and everything today. So I have alcohol, wipes, and a brush. I'm going to make sure I'm cleaning everything so it's not sticky. Did you know that none of your bottles, none of your lights, none of your surfaces should be sticky? If so, you're overexposing yourself and your clients. I love using alcohol for majority of this. There are a couple things I'll use acetone, but if you use acetone where you shouldn't, you'll be in trouble. So far, bottles, table, everything is alcohol, including this lamp. I see really sticky lamps all the time, and this is really unprofessional, really not clean, and overexposing. So I'm using alcohol on the outside here. You can see how dirty that was. Open it up, get the inside as best you can, and then we're going to go ahead and clean this bottom tray. So I know gel gets stuck to it. First clean it with the alcohol, and then I'm going to take a little pusher and scratch off the other things. I don't care about the scratches as much as I care about the gel. Here's where I'm using acetone to break down that little bit of gel. Now for your e-file, alcohol, everything, nothing should be sticky, all of that clean. Now for the disinfecting. That was just the cleaning process. You have to go over everything you touch and your client touches throughout the service with disinfectant. Yes, I should have gloves on, but I did this really quickly. Now I'm going to take everything and throw it away before I wipe the garbage can one last time.